You interact with many mortgage clients in your business. You may work with borrowers that take out multiple loans. In the BNTouch CRM, you can easily keep track of each loan for each client, and you don't need to create duplicate records in your system just to handle this rare case. In the Mortgages tab of your CRM, you can open a client's record by clicking their blue name link. Usually, all of the information for a client's mortgage loan will be kept in this record, organized into subtabs. If you need to track multiple loans for a borrower, however, you will need to have separate sets of information for each loan for the borrower. To the right of the subtabs for a client, you will see two icons above the event tracker, one a plus sign and one a trash can. These can be used to add or remove mortgages for this client record. Each record starts with just a single loan, but the owner of the record can always add a new one by clicking the plus sign icon. You will get a confirmation message, then a new loan selection will be added to the client's record. This won't make a second client file in your system. You will now just be able to switch between the various loans for a client using the Select Loan drop-down menu in their Records subtabs. When you open this menu, you can see some basic information for each loan that the client has in your CRM, including the loan purpose, the marketing sequence stage, the loan amount, and the date it was added. You can then switch to that loan for the client by clicking the blue Loan Purpose link. Using a single client record for multiple loans allows you to keep track of information that is consistent between loans for a client, like contact details, without having to copy it or maintain duplicate records. The Contact Info subtab and the information inside it will stay the same for the client record regardless of which loan is selected, but the Mortgage Info subtab will apply to the current loan. In the same way, other subtabs, like Documents and Campaigns, will show information from the currently selected loan, not for all loans that client has in your CRM. That said, both mortgage loans will be used for the client when you interact with their record throughout the BNTouch CRM. When looking through records, multiple loan records will appear in all places that are appropriate for each loan they contain. If a client has one funded loan and another in processing, for example, you'll be able to see that client listed in the In Processing and Funded categories of the Mortgages tab if you use the Marketing Sequence View option. When you search for clients or browse borrowers in a record list, the way multiple loan records appear will be based on the option you select above the listed records. If you choose One Mortgage per Client from the drop-down menu above the record list, a borrower will only ever appear once in each search result or record list. Even if multiple loans for that client match the criteria to display on the list, only a single entry will appear for the borrower. When you open the client's record, you will still be able to access both mortgage loans as usual. If you select Multiple Mortgages per Client from the drop-down menu, both sets of loan information will be used for search purposes. If your search criteria would include 2 loans in the result, you will see 2 entries in the record list for the client, each representing one of that client's loans. The client still has only a single record, but each relevant result will simply lead you directly to the corresponding loan in that client's file. Similarly, all feature interactions in the CRM that trigger based upon loan information will target each loan respectively for multiple loan clients, whether it be campaign steps, reports, or the like. Just like adding a new loan, you can remove additional loans from a client's record using the trash can icon to the right of a record subtabs. Clicking this button will delete the mortgage loan that you currently have open for a client, so be sure to use the Select Loan drop-down menu to open the loan you want to remove. Again, you will see a confirmation message before the deletion will occur. Once confirmed, you will be returned to the Mortgages tab, and opening the client's record again will show one fewer loan in their Select Loan list. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.